So if you shop with Kinder Cloth, you know they just released their covers. These are their first covers. So I'm gonna show you the difference. This is their pocket. This is the cover. So the pocket has the Airwick jersey, and the cover, I gotta open it up. Give me a minute. So the cover has a different material to make it water resistant. So like you can easily wipe this off and put in other inserts. So this is the difference between these two, is the fabric on the inside. So Kinder also has new inserts. So this is a hemp and cotton one, and then this is their regular bamboo one. So you can definitely see a difference. Like this is more, I don't know, it feels rougher, and this definitely feels softer. Like you could just see how flimsy this one looks, and this one looks like a little more sturdier. So I'm definitely ready to test these out and see how I like it. So definitely softer, but you could use this as a booster. So I would do this and then probably do it like that to have more absorbency since he's getting bigger. I don't know, I'm gonna test it out and let y'all know what I think. Okay, so another difference. The pocket diapers are 1 gusset, whereas the covers are 2. So you get extra protection from leaks and blowouts on the side. And like that's the less for this one. And you know, that's where you stuff the pocket. So how to use a cover. Lay it in there like that and call it a day, versus stuffing the insert in the pocket. So you would be done right here, and you know, obviously that would be stuffed. So looking at a size comparison, this is the cover. Looks like the cover has more room. Yeah, looks like the cover has more room than the pocket. I don't know, maybe this is the best size comparison I could do.